everyone, this is Andrew from AMD Tech, and today this is an unboxing of the Swees Bluetooth keyboard for the iPad Pro. Now, I've owned the iPad Pro for about a month now, and I think they released it a month and a half ago or so, and Apple has billed it as a productivity machine. Now, one of the things they did do is release it with a $169 keyboard case that is very expensive, and quite frankly, I don't think that good. It's just a fixed position. It's a folio type origami style, and I just didn't like it. So I passed on that, and I went with the Logitech Create keyboard. Now that had a really nice keyboard. In fact, the keyboard itself was reminiscent of the MacBook 2015 Retina edition that they came out with in early 2015, which I actually have. And that keyboard the Apple keyboard actually reminded me of that. And the Logitech keyboard, which is very good. But one big problem with the Logitech is the case itself is very bulky. And I didn't like that. I wanted something a little more sleeker. So I went on to Amazon and I searched around, and it's been slim picking so far. I know there's going to be some third-party releases as far as iPad Pro keyboards are concerned. I know Zag, I believe, is coming out with one, and I think Bridge is coming out with one in early 2016. You may even be able to pre-order it. But again, the problem is these are very expensive keyboards. The Apple keyboard is $169, the Logitech keyboard is $149, and who knows how much the Bridge keyboard. I'm sure it's going to be well over $150, maybe pushing $200, which is a lot of money for a keyboard. Now, the Apple keyboard is using the Smart Connect, I guess, technology, where you don't have Bluetooth. It's not connected via Bluetooth, but rather it's drawing power from the Pogo connector or Smart Connector, whatever Apple's calling it these days. And Logitech does the same. Well, the one I was able to find on Amazon is the one you're looking at right now, which is by a company by the name of Swees, S-W-E-E-S. I've never heard of them, and I'm not sponsored by them. I did purchase this myself. I purchased it on Amazon, and it cost $39 plus free shipping. And I ordered it, I think, 2 or 3 days ago, or maybe on last Friday, and it arrived today. Now, I did open it one morning. I did open it. I did check it out just to see the different viewing angles. One of the things that I didn't like about the Apple keyboard is its fixed viewing angle. It doesn't have multiple viewing angles. Same problem with the Logitech Create keyboard. One viewing angle. Well, this one might solve all the problems. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the packaging. Nothing too fancy. And here is some documentation on the orientation of how to use it, turn it on, etc., pairing. Take out the keyboard, and all you get is a USB cable. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy as far as packaging is concerned. And here it is. Now, it has one unique feature that you don't really see too much. I know they have it on the smaller iPads, different companies, but it does have a removable case. So if I can just click this, if I can try to do it, of course it doesn't want to cooperate, but this is theoretically supposed to open up. Maybe if I open it and click, there we go. This comes out, okay? And I have my iPad Pro. This is the 128 version, Verizon, so it's LTE. It's expensive, and it is very good. It is overpriced, but it's Apple, you know. So here it is. So you connect it in the case. Apple logo shows. Okay. And one thing I'm noticing is it is a fingerprint magnet so far, the outer shell, and it is smooth. I'm not sure how how it's gonna fare. So, but it is nice to be able to take it out of the case and still have some protection on it. Okay. Now, how does this work? So, with that front cover off. Oh, by the way, before we get to that, it does have the function keys or the iPad keys. So you have the home key You have the brightness up and down. You have the editing keys such as cut and paste, media keys, volume up and down, mute, and lock key. Now, the key travel so far, not bad. It is plasticky, it's not metal. It has a sort of metal lookish, but it definitely is not metal, it's plastic. Not bad feeling, has nice travel. We'll give it a little test to see how it, in a future video perhaps, I don't know, this is just the unboxing. So as you can see, you can open and close it, and that'll help facilitate different viewing angles. So here's my iPad Pro in its case that it comes with. I'm going to reconnect by pressing these two buttons, and now it's in, and there you go. So I can adjust the angle based on, so you can go different, you can do one fixed position like that. You can do vertical, okay? You can, obviously horizontal, and again, you can do more than one angle, and that's kind of nice. It is a little bulky, I have to say, overall. I like the fact that I can remove this part and take it to go without having to take the keyboard. But when I do need the keyboard, I just snap that part on and I go with this. The keyboard is obviously not backlit, but again, what do you expect for $39? Now, the Logitech keyboard is backlit, and it's kind of nice. The Apple keyboard, I believe, is not backlit, so that's the difference. But again, you're looking at $39 on Amazon as opposed to paying $169, ignore the emails, as opposed to $169 or $149 for the Logitech. So I'm going to put this through its paces. I'm going to do a follow-up video, probably not too lengthy, just to tell you how the typing experience has been. I really haven't had too much time with it. I do like the fact that it does have the iOS function keys, the home key, which the Apple keyboard doesn't have, the Logitech does. And again, we don't have too many different variations right now. You don't have too much choice. And this is what I was able to find. I'll put the link of where I found it on Amazon. The company, again, is Swees, S-W-E-E-S, and I don't know where they're based. It is free shipping. I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this with my own money, but I thought I'd give it a shot. Again, I like the fact that it's the versatility of this case so far, and we'll see. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. I look forward to making some new videos, and I will let you know as soon as I have the follow-up to this. And I do look forward to some upcoming unboxings. I have the HP Envy Note 8, which is a 8-inch tablet coming. That's coming on Thursday. I will hope to get a video up by then. Until then, I'll see you next time. This is Andrew from AMD Tech. See you soon. Bye-bye.